standing down there?
No.
Ooh, this one goes farther than I thought. Going right back to the basement.
Going back to the basement.
Oh shit. Oh shit. He goes back in. Bro, it wasn't even of a tile. You could have killed me there.
Just let the bot get here.
Okay.
That way you don't get, you know.
Yep.
Okay. I don't think he's coming back.
Not yet. He's on me still.
Think
Take
good
him to the
move.
edge of the fucking map.
You're gonna edge a bubba.
Someone's gotta do it.
Keep that king shit at home, boy.
I was ready for it.
He thought I'd throw that. You bitch. I ain't throwing that shit. Dude, I have a really nasty habit of mousing my leg. I don't even. My fucking mouse are shaking real bad. And get fucked again. I die here. This is where I die. It's the end. No, nigga, no! No, damn, nigga! No, fuck!
I thought for sure he'd stop on top of you. I thought for sure he would stop on top of you.